people, I don't come with another ogbonge story. This story, in fact, a cash leg for grant, a hammer for grant, not be small. This story now between ex-goddaughter and ex-godfather. And they talk about perigodi and the enogieis and the enogieis baby mama. So this matter not be small thing for grant though. My people, now remember that time where this guy Saga first come out. Hey, not be small thing, no. At the end, those who come the hear, they say na prank. Which kind prank? Oh, my people, now here we can see the now we can see here say this one another story can still come out. Everybody can they say na still prank. Now there we can see no say na real Saga na dey ground. The Saga not be here. My people, not be for my mouth una go hear am. You understand? The Saga, e no get part 2. For where Saga for come dey lead to causes, to come dey cause person children. I know say no be perigodi fault o, because no mama, no mother wey be say they go use in dead child take laugh am, make he or she just close her hand or close her mouth dey watch. And I make am. She sef come still come out, come still retaliate, say make no get children, make himself still cause no get children. But my sister perigodi no be so sha for me. I dey analyze my own for here. Not be so. No matter wetin they use your dead child take laugh you, my sister, you just leave everything for God hand. Now wetin me I know be that oh, because God know as he dey pay everybody with his own coin. So that is just it. And this Saga, wetin me I see for ground be say now waiting enogieis do a by the Murphy that time, because they say hand wey you take beat first wife, you take and beat second wife, because you as a godson you dey insult your godfather, swear nothing wey you not do that time. So now you dey reap wetin you sow. The same thing come dey bounce back to you. Now make you see as e dey feel. You understand? They say hand wey you take beat first wife, you go take and beat second wife. So now wetin dey happen be that oh. Now wetin me I understand for this case be that. And the Saga now what they say na Saga, e don turn to another story, another matter. My people, I go leave una for here. Make una watch this Saga between perigodi and enogieis, which is ex-goddaughter and ex-godfather. My sister, no be as we dey talk am now. This matter don turn to another thing wey be say we ourselves we no go see. You understand? We go dey watch them. When they do their own Saga, make we dey here dey watch them. So my people, I go dey leave una for here. My people, more than not vex, more than pardon my manager. I supposed to even greet una first of all. But this aproko what they do now no go make person see road. My people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Depend on where una dey watch this video from. If today now una first time una dey across this channel, I beg una not forget to subscribe, to press the notification bell, comment below, and give the.
We don't fit talk to me. You not call my pikin name. The second live video you want confess. You carry all the whole life where they this life come put for my head. I say make I do live video, make I insult you. After I still do live video, person wey matter call me say, okay, Perry, relax, no do live video. I come out the next day, I come back online. I come they write. My friends they follow me, they vex say, must you reply? Oh yeah, rest. I come outside, I come apologize. I curse Nora. I test Nora, say Nora na bastard. I come outside, I come apologize to Nora. Say okay. But no, they curse my mama, they curse my papa. Or say they curse my mama, they curse my papa. Me can't still come outside, come apologize. Say make me rest. Make me rest. I said no, they say I apologize to Nora. I apologize to my friend. And I say, you cannot shut me up, enogieis. Nge mo bo adori bo afam. Nge noi. Okwima. If we can do madusa awuni ime mililibia no can get see noi. Kali mi mililibia say no mado can get see noi. I will swallow you. Una no go talk, not talk to my pikin. Una no go talk, not talk to my pikin. Una no go talk, not talk to my pikin. You don't curse mama. You curse my papa. I come outside. Your pikin will be say I use my throat. Say bastard. I still say okay. Make everybody rest. I apologize. And no get say I apologize. He say, no get na me be Adonia. Take my name and go ask question. Take am, go ask question. They go tell you. They go tell you. I got why. They talk. You where you be saying you never even give juju drink for Nigeria before you come off for Nigeria. They swear for me. You don't give juju vodka drink before. You don't give you don't give juju kind drink before. They talk, they give me maths. Just because say everybody now, because anybody where you talk, my sister, that person, they make person bring out the inner part. If I show you guys the inner me, if I show you the inner me, the Adoria in me, if I show now, what if I go run inside house? Enogieis, baby mama can't live video. They can't they swear. Who you they swear for? Who you they swear for? Who? Me, Godzi. I don't suffer. You will be said that they worship me, they put my leg like this. They go kneel down, they go tell me, say, Mbeliba bless me with me picking. Mbeliba do this one. Mbeliba do that one. It's easy and I'm okay, boy. You they swear for me. Now yourself, now your mind, you know. You don't know another person mind, though. Now yourself, now you know. You don't know another person, no. You don't know another person. Things one want to swear for you this time, they're not complete. Tomorrow I go buy another one. You see as bitter leaf say they bitter. You see as bitter cola say they bitter. I saw your family life one be. You can't live video can't cost mama. You know who born me? Mbelibo Jogolo. Mbelibo Jogolo nem. Mbelibo Jogolo nem. I love children. I give children. I give children. I don't take children. No, I don't. I give. I don't take. Ask question. Carry my name and you go ask. I don't take children. I give. But if I want to take, I take. Ha! I dey give. I know they collect. Mba. I dey me man. I dey me way. I dey me way. It's okay. You dey swear for your goddess, your forefathers. You dey swear for. Thank you. Just thank you. God say you don't call my real name for your live video, Sophia. Thank you. Nigga, you question. Do some research before you fight with someone. That one they tell me saying they cook him for inside house. He can't they break egg. If na me fair call una children name, make una cause name me. If not be me first, your children they go follow where you won't follow. If not be me first call children name, your children go follow where you won't follow. If you want to talk to me, insult me. Any small anybody now, Perry, when we tell and say picking that make it come they cry. I did work the soon and rubbish. I say, man, I reach house. I don't call with my sister. I say, wait, make I reach house. I branch, I buy vodka. I get drink for free, yo. Man, I pure white vodka. Now my chi they drink. Everybody get chi. Everybody get chi. Everybody get chi. Everybody get chi. Who be this one? Come on for here. Everybody get chi, eh? Everybody get chi. I can never be the first to look for your trouble. I know they find problem. I know they find trouble. But if trouble come and fight them. As long as I'm not the first, I stand where I stand. I can never be the first. I not call your name. Swear say you not call my name. Swear say no be you. Use your children name. Say your children hate. Say swear this night. Say no be you come meet me. Say your woman want saga me. No be you come meet me. Say make I use your phone to do live video. Oh yeah, you know they swear. They swear. He said she called for the you match where you say they lie, how you say they swear. How they want to hear your swear. How your chi want to hear your swear. Everybody they swear to their chi. How they want to hear your match where you say they lie, now you say they swear. When I hear say your woman say na me call for prank, I was shocked. I said, thank God all this thing is happening. Let's cut the useless friendship. I was like, thank God. What true friendship help for this Europe side? Everybody, they poison everybody. I said, thank God. When he talk and say, yes, now you called for it. Swear with your children head. If na me call for Saga, they go work tomorrow. Make death carry me go. As I sleep, make I no wake up. Now me call for Saga. Yeah, hello. I'm on live video. I'll call you when I'm done, please. I'm on live video.
I'll check your message. If I end this call, check message.
Okay, I will. Swear that I'm the first person. That I'm the first person. When you call me, say that they call my name for very platform. Swear, look, if you feel swear with all those things, swear. You gonna swear like this, I go pin my leg for ground, they say, he say. I gonna give you, he say. I go pin my leg for ground, I no go move for where I stand, I gonna give you, he say. Swear. When I dey hear lie when they come out from her mouth, I was just like, me Perry. When I think say I go come rest. Yes, nah. May we shut her up. Gather then come. Muna come. Ataramono. Mono tamon tashi unuli nanya. I not bite anybody. Anybody will bite me, I'll bite him. I go bite and blind. You know, see again. Swear. Say na me Perry. Na me Perry. Not be you call me. Just they swear. And they swear so you go they swear. Oh yeah. They swear, okay. When I hear I don't even they watch the video. I just they just throw past. When I hear the one who just pay me for it, like, he says she called for the prank. I was like, whoa! I dey inside taxi, they go house. You know, they write me say, Mama no, I want use it to do Saga. Now I reply and say, if I get tomorrow I they go work. If I come back from work, I feel reply. I go work, come back now. So okay, make I follow up with the Saga. Me knock on the year now, so na me start prank. I'm still waiting for your message. Write me on WhatsApp, because if you're writing me on Facebook right now, I can't get it. Swear, just they swear. If na me fair find no na, make una course reach my body. If no na fair find me, in will go death. If una fair find me. If una fair find me, you can't talk to me without involving my late child. No, you can't talk to me without involving my late child. You can't. Why can't you? Make I tell and say pikin make it for the cry. He go over you. Because I will not cry. I refuse to cry. I refuse. I will not cry. I will be healthy. I will go to work, come back, eat and face you. I will not cry. So Papa don't vote death. I talk any other person that will dare refer to my late child. Oh God, we will get to where we are going to. I am not afraid of death. I can never be afraid of death. I am not afraid of death. If death come, we go die. I go die. Everybody go die. You watching me will die. Okay, you will die. Your wife will die. Everybody will die. Even your twins will die. All of us will die. Nobody come this life can't live forever. Nobody's living from eternity to eternity. We shall all die in our own time. Nobody they care anybody. Anybody will die now in time reach. Now I die. You should be afraid of you because of what? I'm not afraid of you. I can't be. C'est pas possible. I can't be afraid of you. You dare put all those things on my head and you want to shut me up. How dare you? Imakwonyembu, imebensibia, inekugini. Na current bullshit. Na memeshonu da bawa dog and foso. So the way you go carry and you get time as you come they break egg. You come I not get egg for house so. Ama me ba nele egg. I not get egg for house. I not get drink, I not get vodka. Everything I want to swear this night is not complete. Una for see swear. Una for the shake. Tomorrow, okay, Saturday, they go Paris, go buy everything, make complete. When I go dey see so, I go dey know. No be everybody that they chook am for a mouth. No be everybody that they chook am for a mouth. No let me want you curse. I believe I no go reply you. I will just call live video use you say they cash cruise. No let me want you curse. Cause even if one way don't die, curse am, curse my mama, curse my papa. People where you don't know, you they curse them. People where you don't know, you they curse them. I acted so cool. 3 days offline. You call the chat say you block my live video, you block my live video. I went offline for 3 good days. I went offline. And no post, no write. I came back and I made the same matter of you insulting. Who do you think you are? I should be afraid of you because you are from where? May they check you balance, you are a nobody. I will cook you, give him believer shop. Say, wait. I don't understand. Everybody, no, c'est pas possible. Who come on, say, Perry, they make math, Perry, they do this one. I never did serious for my life before like this. I've never been this serious. This is my first time. I've never been this serious. And it's Martin. You think I should come on live and start crying because you told me that I killed my child? You that you're not even a father to your children. Where is that coming from? Where? From your dirty gutter mouths. Anybody who want to bite him, I may buy him. I don't understand. I don't understand. Am I afraid of who? Should be afraid of you. Okay now. Ngwanu na kaifo now. Obidogo now. Obidogo now. You are swearing for me when you have children. Cursing my parents when you have children. You curse your elderly ones, I curse your children. Claiming age that is not your age just because you want to do saga. Claiming age will not be your own because you want to do saga. As I'm trending, you are trending. Your children is trending. All of us go they trend. Who go marry this one? Who go marry this one? Who even want to get married to a Nigerian man? Where be so you better give me life, give me future, give me everything. Okay, who go marry this one? You people are very stupid. You people are so stupid. So even to come they break egg for my head. Isi onye kunu na kubola akwa. Ina akukwa akwa ni isi onye. But okay, I be born through where I no get mama, I no get papa. Na so. They threaten me. They threaten me. You shall see. You shall see. You shall see. My God, when I did Nigeria, person don't tell me for school say you shall see. That person see when my grandmother go me when I put for river. Rubbish. Like seriously, they just want to step on everybody. No, you can't. You can't. I was scammed for 3 days. That should have been enough for you to delete your videos and pretend as if nothing happened. I came back, I was doing right up. People also advised me, and I apologized to Nora. And that day, my mind was to stop. My mind was to, Perry, you are going crazy. Right now, you have to stop. You have to stop. There are spirits on social media. There is a lot of people on social media. Right now, you have to stop. That was my mind. Like, you have to stop now. I apologized and I go sleep. I wake up in the morning. Video here, video there, video here, video there. Because I apologize, meaning say, do you know the meaning of apology? Do you know the meaning of apology? That is to make peace reign. If one person apologize because, not because I said the other one big person, but waiting small pikin no they see, big person they see am. Big person they see am. Ah God. Like seriously, I've not even called my grandfather. I've not even called anybody. I'm just like I've not even called my grandfather. Like they are like, do you even know where I'm from? Do you know my papa where you they cause? I've not even called them. I've not even called anybody. I've not even called. Like, not let few that they hear like, okay, no problem, stop. They asked me to stop. I stop and you're still insulting them? For what reason? Who are you? Oh, yeah, swear. From your first live video, Perigodi is not my goddaughter. When you lost your pikin, I was there for you. Must you mention my child? That is her weakening point. Tell her that, so that she will start crying. Baby boy, I've heard that a lot. I've heard it from many people. That is no longer my weakening point. My weakening point is when I'm poor, poverty. I'm not afraid of death. I'm not afraid of anybody. Mother! Small pikin curse. No get wetin you want do you for body. Who be small pikin? I am swearing for your children as a mother. Ta! See small pikin. I swear for your children as a mother. Forget age, my guy. As a mother, we don't enter labor room, come outside. That's why they think they swear for your children. I'll pour out for my soul, so I'll swear for that as a mother. Now small pikin they swear. What is small pikin swear want do? Forget the small pikin don't enter labor room, come outside. Small pikin don't be virgin again. Small pikin they born. You don't born. You go still feel born. Small pikin don't push pikin. What are you talking about? Tell your followers to advise you well. Your callers and your followers are your problem, bro. They are your fucking problem. Small pikin swear no get wetin you want do you for body. Go and ask them when a mother is laying curse on a child, how it works. Go and ask them. Your wife is cursing me mother to mother. If you don't know it now. Mother to mother. That is, your wife, they curse me mother to mother. I'm cursing your children as a mother. What are you talking about? Think I'm joking with you? Think it's a joke? You dare talk to my late child and you want me to stay mute? Maturity, you big past this one, you big past this one. You started all those things. You don't just want to stop because of your dirty pride. I have pride, I can't stop. I even said it out, if I don't get stop, I will stop. No, I have pride, I can't stop. I can't stop. You know if you stop. I even went offline for 3 days. I come that day with my sleeping clothes, come they mad. After they come and say, as come inside my phone, I end my life immediately, and then I called. Like my friends were like, no, this is like, no, you don't have to do this with this man. You lied on my head. You did a lot of things like maths where you tell lie, now you tell they swear. Maths where you don't tell lie. Your heart when no, I dey swear for your children, with my clear mind of a mother, with the pain of a mother. Now they swear for your children. Maths where you tell lie for small pikin head. You say I be small pikin. Maths where you tell lie for small pikin head. Now you tell they swear for them. You people know they think, if you are fighting me with the truth right now, God will stand for your children. God will just protect them. But as long as you are fighting me with the lies, your children will die. What are you talking about? Do you know the pain it takes to push out a child? Do you know the pain it takes to push out a child? That you are telling me to stay months. You insult my child and I keep quiet. Anybody will go talk to my pikin, you get pikin. Any of your caller will call for your live video, come swear for me, and he get pikin. May he know no peace in this life. You will remain a live video caller. You will know no peace in this life. Now go see truth. Just because you want to side that person, just because you hate me, you just want to tarnish me, you will just start calling and saying things you don't even know. You don't even know about me. You don't know me. You people have not seen me before. None of you know me. You just say things just because you want to tarnish me. Just because you want to kill me. I don't even care. I don't care. I don't care anymore. You people keep on bringing the bad side of me. Any good I do, you won't say it. Once I'm doing bad, you all say it. What nonsense. What nonsense. All those old people, all those married women, mothers calling on your live video to insult me. Why won't they just advise you? Why can't they advise you? Why can't they tell you the truth? Mother insulting me, cursing me because I'm standing for my rights. How dare you? Stupid mothers. Stupid murderers, they call themselves mothers. How dare you open your gutter mouth to insult me? As long as you are not cursing me with your claim and you have something in your heart, it won't get to me. And okay, open your mouth and confess the truth. Once you say the truth, then your swears will come to me. Not when you're lying against me. You lie for small pikin head, you want cover a mouth, man, you know if he talk for himself. I accept I be small pikin. But this small pikin they do, I'm not just saying you don't fair do them. I don't understand. They break head. Why you they break head for your head? Who you they break head? That's why you they break egg for your head. You don't ask question. You don't ask question. Ask yourself. Ask yourself questions. How come all these years, all the attack, none came to me? How come I am blessed? How come I'm succeeding? How come I'm blessed? How come I am above my mates? Ask yourself questions. Sit yourself down and ask yourself questions. Which God is she serving? Who is behind her? Before you will come to me. I don't fight. I don't. Go all through all my life. You know, go through my life history and everything. If you don't come to me, I won't come for you. Never. Never. You won't come to me. Now you first insult my children. Where? When you call live video, they swear for my head. They lie for my head. Side donation people. Now say swear with your children head. Then for that your live video, you talk a lot of things about me. We will go fuck my pikin die. You talk to my child in that live video before I say swear with your children head. Before you start something, learn. Try to focus. I have all your video. Even if you are deleting them, they're on my phone. You want to confess. You're lying against a little girl and you expect me to keep muted. Who the fuck are you now? Who the fuck are you? Think I'm going to stay mute? You can't mute me. C'est pas possible. Your children will die. Nora will die. Nadia will die. They will follow where Yvonne follow. Since you say that Yvonne be your problem. You say I poison Yvonne. You say you want to know where Yvonne follow. Your children go find out what to Yvonne. They say, Wata, chomi ife bumwe. Now so, you are looking for what, you know, you find what think kill Yvonne abi. You think Yvonne go kill you. What think Yvonne go kill your children. Find what think Yvonne, let's find it together. Find what think Yvonne. What nonsense. You don't just like, no. There are things you don't say. No. Even when I'm not a mother, when I still had my child, I know what it means to be a mother. I know what it takes to be a mother. If not because of like me, but for other people's sake. This is like too much. Too much for everybody. When someone lost their child, you people have something to say to that person. I lost my child, not my womb. I can't come now and say I'm desperate of a child. Why should I even do that? No. Why should I do that? Why should I do that? If you want to talk to me, insult me the way you want. Perry, Ashawo, Perry, prostitute. Bro, no problem. Stop telling me them say you go fuck your pikin die. Don't you dare not. Once you do that, not when you get pikin, I know where to attack you. You tell me and I will tell you. You attack me and I give it back to you. If you know they came to live video and start saying without involving my family or my parents, now cruise I go use you cash. I won't even talk to your children. I give children, I don't take children. I give, I don't take. Sit down, use your inner eye. Make sure, open it and look at me very well. You will see what I'm talking about. What nonsense. Like, seriously? Want to mute me? Mute you? All of us, they ask film for social media. I don't understand. I don't want to let the small pikin, anybody at all. Now the person go find my trouble. If I can't reply the person, make I tell and say pikin make it dey pain am. I've heard that multiple times. from different people, from people that don't know me. Enogie, you have not seen me before in real life. You don't even know how I look, if I'm dark or fair. You only see my pictures and my videos. You've not seen me on real life. You have not. You've not seen me on real life. Yes, you've not. For real. You have to count your ways before saying it. No matter how angry you are as a man, you have to control yourself. You don't just say things as a man. Because when you will start fighting for what you said, it will be too late to take them back. You already said it. Taking them back will be too late. I never insulted your children. I prayed for them. I prayed for them that everything you are doing, you are saying will not be the portion. You can't just call your children prostitute. Because of what? Because your wife was an ex-prostitute? It's not possible. It's not possible. It's not possible. You dare not. Her name go tread. She will be ashamed of herself. Do you want me to post my white boyfriend? You want me to post it? Like seriously? I should do what with black people where you all. And you are a central boy. You know that. Like, make I come the date Nigeria boy and also now my own they want come fine. Like seriously? Do I look like somebody who is ready to settle with a black guy? No. Do I look like that? I don't go with black traditions. I am born in tradition. I'm a traditional girl, but I don't just want those mentality to keep me going. If you wake it up on me, I will show you. I will show you that I'm a tradition girl. I was born in tradition. I know what it takes to be in tradition. Invite me to any shrine, I will answer you. Because I will go with the truth. Nothing but the truth. Why will you even start lying at the first time? You know you have your children with you. You say you love your children. Then why lie on somebody's child? Why lie on me? How dare you lie on me and expect me to keep muted? You didn't break egg for waiting you start. Oh yeah, go and buy more eggs. Buy more eggs. I buy one carton just now. €4 something. Oh yeah, go and buy more eggs. If you don't have money, send me a carton back. Let me send you money so that you buy more eggs and more Hennekins and start breaking and praying. Let's see. You can't return my calls when your mind is not clear. It only takes a clear mind to return calls. Yes, I'm married Nigeria. Just focus on ENOGIE. I'm sorry, but I'm just talking about myself. I'm just talking about myself, you understand? I'm just talking about myself. I don't just want to I want to marry a white man that will understand me and lets me live my life. I don't want to marry a man whereby I will be with this man and I will just want to live with the way he wants me to live. Because white man will let you do what you want to do. You understand? That is what, I'm not against Nigeria. I love Nigerian boys. I've dated a lot of them, but I'm not just talking about that. I'm talking about myself. You know you have your past. We all have our past. We all have our past. Yvonne has been dead for the past 2 years. You people don't want to stop involving her in your frustrated lives. Everybody want to tell me about Yvonne. Have you ever seen Yvonne in your life? Do you know her? Have you seen her? Have you ever given my child anything in your life? Do you know Yvonne? ENOGIE, you posted me without my consent when I lost my child. That is where I knew you. You understand? And I appreciate the fact that you posted me. But the one you say that I called you and I did this, just go straight to the point. Stop lying. It only let me tell you, only when you go fit to return my calls or clear my calls from the air. Now, when you talk the truth, once you say the truth, my calls go clear. You have to say the truth. You have to be truthful. Small picking, your callers, they tell you, say, small picking where they swear, small picking where they swear. Small pikin where they swear, small pikin where they swear. I'm not swearing for your children and small pikin, no. I'm swearing as a mother. Oh. I go put her for my toto, open her wide like this, they swear for them. Hey, God. You don't even know what you're doing to your children. You're damaging the life of your children. You're damaging the life of your children. You don't know what you're doing to them. This person not rich. If you like me, it cost my pikin. Man, I'm not from those states. You people know that. None of you know me. No, know me rich house. Nobody know me rich house. Apart from my sister, and she don't even know me rich house. Well, later she go call him mama now, ask him mama say, how me take when I did Africa. Una don't know me rich house. Una don't know me. Not be everybody you go say me that they cost pikin. I don't want any caller to call me. I don't want any caller to call me. I don't need any caller to call me. I'm saying what I'm saying. It's not by talking too much. It's not by calling callers. Your callers will not be there when the things start happening. Your commenters will not be there when the things start happening. I am Perry Golden. I am Adorie. My grandmother is also Adorie. My daughter was born on Orie Day. And my next child will be born on Orie Day. So guys, I have to go and bath right now. I have to sleep. I'm working tomorrow. I'm working tomorrow. You understand? So let's me sleep, guys. I'm really tired. Came back to work to start swearing and stuff like that. Not letting any caller call me. No caller is going to call me. You know, they keep on swearing for your children. You know, they keep on swearing for your children. Keep on swearing for your children. Keep on swearing for your children. Keep on swearing for them. As long as you have lied to me, you have lied on my head. You have lied to my head, Enogieis. You have lied on me, Enogieis. As long as you don't lie for my head. Without no reason, just because I told you to stop, they should stop, you stop insulting children, they stop insulting your children, then you have lied on my head. As long as you have lied on my head, all your calls will go to your children. As long as na my head you say lie, Enogieis, all your calls this night, I return them to your children. They will go to your children. The moment you start cursing me with your clear mind, the moment you come outside and say the truth, that moment is when your cause fit on the reach my body. But you see, the place you say small picking, because it should be small picking, make a life for her head, make a shut her up. Your cause, your swears go there for your children head. You understand? But if na me first to the cause, if na me first to the insult the cause, make you reach my body. If not, Enogieis, na inside your house before they swear, be he go dead there with you. He go dead there with you. They break egg. I no get egg to break. No, I don't know supermarkets. They break egg. Say me, I want really make everywhere as them make your children they die. No. God, I feel straight. They lie from my head. I want to confess. Paris, I want to confess. Paris, I want to confess. I care less. I commot. My pikin die. They tell you carry on, you talk on. I donation person. They tell you carry on, you talk on. Waiting your eye no reach. Maybe in they kill you so. Call your live video. Come and start shouting. Perry, call your callers to swear for me. Make them swear. As long as I didn't start anything, You don't reach my body. Tomorrow like this, I'll break coconut for my head. Now coconut I'll break for my head tomorrow. Shebu na want make I teach you na tradition. I go teach you how to do tradition. Tomorrow, I will break coconut for my head tomorrow. May they ask your wife what is the meaning of egg right now? You no go know. What is the meaning of egg? They ask your wife now, you no go know. Not from breaking of egg. All right, guys, good night. Make I go sleep. You understand? Make I go sleep. I'm working tomorrow because I can't be like, it's 9 now. I have to bath, sleep at least 10:30. I have to be on bed, Guys, I love children so much. Everybody knows that. My mother knows that. My friends knows that. My friends know that because I love children so much. I don't take, I give. I don't take. No, I give. I love children so much. So that is it. Swearing for these children is actually coming from my mind because no. You understand? So let me go and sleep because tomorrow is another day. We continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll break coconuts tomorrow. Mona, no worry. Now we'll see them. We'll break coconuts. We'll break coconuts tomorrow, guys. How they start something with person, Go look am. Everybody will move and don't quarrel. Now the person start them. Everybody move and quarrel. Now the person now tell me what will pay me. I know they find wahala. I they live my life gently. I they do my things. You understand me? So I love you all. You don't have to call me, okay? I know you guys care. You care about me, but you don't have to call me because I'm fine. You understand? I want to know what's in the knack music they follow ENOGIE and the baby mama. I love you all. Good night. Bye. God bless you all. Thanks for your love and care. Bye. Good night, guys.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware